pagkaganyan ng mukha ng eksena mo, lagi kang may smile. Promise. There is always a big place for you to show this. After this, anong tawag yan? Jonas, anong tawag sa ganyan? The rain. You have to be performing such obligation within the next 12 months, no? Tama ba ako? Good. Galingan mo. Go around the country. Inspire kids. Inspire kids. Go around the country.
It's gonna be on them. Make sure I go around the country.
Go to, have you seen Basilan? You should go to Basilan. It's a beautiful place. Nowadays, it's a peaceful place. I was there many times, whether showbiz or politics. We go to the park bank. Maraming mga ganyang lugar sa go to Coron, mga lugar na you never know when they see you, they get inspired. Sometimes seeing their idols, nag-boost ng aspiration ba tawag sa English?
Aspiration.
Never think that, diba? Second time sumali sa Miss Philippines.
That's what I have told the students yesterday.
She didn't win last year. So she won this year.
See? That's what I've been telling the students. In life, you're going to face so many failures. Failures is inevitable. But it teaches you a very good lesson to be a better person the following day.
Sabi nga niya, when she was joining again, ako yung ginabat. I'm sure ka na nasali ka ulit. Kasi alam mong lapit ka, pero hindi ko nasa judges yan, no? Ano, pero yun yung siya eh. So sabi niya, last week na niya. So yun
It's so bad. She was able to answer properly. She was able to explain herself, talk about her advocacy, and answer the question, which is not easy when there's a tiny.
Talagang nanonood ka.
Alam mo, hindi ko lang pag-ulit.
Kasi alam mo, kasi nga,
Andiyan ba yun, no? Andiyan ba yung mga Mexico? Oo.
nasa office ko sila, nanonood
Kasi dito sa Manila,
narinig ko.
at isa dito sa Manila, ang policy ko, since mayor ako. Although personal belief ko niya when I was vice mayor, but my policy in Manila is walang bakla, walang tomboy, walang lalaki, walang babae. Lahat. So, I don't know if you notice going inside, everyone, kahit iba-iba yung mga preference nila sa buhay. They can work, mamana, even in the front line, even in the office, whether ano man ang skills na meron. Kahapon, nung sinabing darating ka, ang una ko naalala yung mga bakla. Huwag yung mga Mexico. Kasi ano din ang Manila eh, siyempre.
Aspiration.
Sabi ko, kaya lahat yun, most of them are working. Kaya di masasayahin ang tao dito kasi walang prejudice. Nangongonya tapos sa nagbubuli. Konya, puputusan ko. Lahat, may equal chance. That's how it is. The way it is. I may be wrong to some. That's the way it is. Walang mayaman. Everyone will get a chance to excel. Level the playing field. Kaya magandang maging inspiration. Kahapon na kasasabi ko lang sa mga yung nirevite natin quiz bee.
Yes.
Sabi ko sa you're going to pay. It's not because I want you to pay. You're going to experience. It doesn't mean you're a failure. Keep on going. Alam mo yung commercial ng baterya?
Energizer.
Energizer. keeps it going. You have to go. Like you, very good example of that. One point in your life, you think the best and easiest thing for you to do is to stop. But you did not. That's why you are attain greatness, achieve greatness. Yeah. And that can be an inspiration for Filipino children. Kailangan yan. Kailangan namin ng inspiration yan. Kailangan namin. Kailangan ng tao. So we have to really move on fast. And moving on, we need some inspiration. Ako, ang inspiration ko rito yung mga lolo-lola ko, saka yung may sakit. Doon ako umuhugot lagi, lakas na ko, despite of our physical problem. Pag bulitin na yung lolo-lola ko, ubos na lahat ang pagod ko sa kanila. So, from there, malaki po Pilipinas. Maliit lang sa mundo, pero so, saan? Diretso na kayo sa ano?
Meron po tayong photo op muna. Kayo muna ngayon. Kasi nag-aapol na deadline.
Okay. Sorry.
Hindi, okay lang po.
Madaldal talaga ako.
Tapos meron po tayong photo op with the babies. Sa Palawagan. Sa Palawagan lang.
Ang mga aklan, hindi niya.
Ako, naka-ready na sila.
Good.
Yung iba hindi po pumasok. Hapon na lang daw papasok. Sa ibang work, hindi dito sa city. Clarify.
Sige. But before that, we only give this to ambassadors usually. As a matter of symbolic thing of the people of Manila. We send them to anyone. Really. Special ka lang ngayon. Because I want you to be an ambassador of hope of the country. Because that's what we need nowadays. So, everybody got ito ang pinakamalaking susing makukuha mo sa
Bakit height niya?
Alin kayong dalawa guys. This is the king of the city. It's a symbol of sort of saying you're always welcome to City Hall in Manila. You're the king already. When it is not, you can open it.
Ano ba to? Natry ko to.
Audits. Naliit ako. Pero sa pagmamahal, pantay yan. I hope you will find somebody that will make you happy. Parang kinikilig yung mga yan.
Teka, meron pa ano eh. Meron pa.
Hindi na lang din ako.
Ano ba tawag nung yung mga nanay na talong pipi?
Talong pipi.
Talong pipi.
Talong pipi.
Talong pipi.
That's
Tampipi.
Tampipi pala, tampipi. Tampipi.
Sounds like
Yeah. Ano mo? Tama. You're welcome. Okay, so pagpasensyahan mo na yan. Ito na yung bago namin logo for our tourism. Yeah. The icons. Chicago, of course, this is Milad. Milad, isang bumps and bruises. And that's what name is doon tayo sa mind. Halika, sumama ka mami. Okay. Halika, sumama ka. Join us. Okay. Krista?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Ang dami ng ambassador dito, ngayon lang nakuluto mo.
And then Mayor, they're requesting for a picture na kayong dalawa.
Okay. Sige.
Okay.
Sa basketball, black na black ako.
Miss Ariela.
Mayor, Mayor, pwede pa kayong dalawa?
Oh, sure. Sa kanan ko? Okay. Okay. Session ka na. Okay.
And maybe another one, please.
Yun.